Rahul Gandhi-led Congress Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra is set to conclude in Mumbai. The Yatra, which began from Manipur's Imphal on January 14, has so far covered 14 states and 85 districts during its 2-month journey. Now, top leaders of the India bloc will be present at Shivaji Park, where Rahul Gandhi will be addressing a rally to mark the end of his Yatra. Among the opposition leaders who will be present are Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, M.K. Stalin, Farooq Abdullah and even Akhilesh Yadav.
भारत जोड़ो यात्रा जो उन्होंने करी है वो बहुत ही प्रशंसनीय है और मैं नहीं समझती मेरे जहन में कोई दूसरे ऐसे राजनेता हों जो मतलब सही में देश का कोना कोना कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर, मणिपुर से मुंबई तक चले जनता के मन की बात सुनने। बहुत सारे ऐसे राजनेता हैं जो अपने मन की बात सुनाते रहते हैं हमें, लेकिन मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी जी की खासियत ये है कि वो सही में जनता के मन की बात सुनते हैं, लोगों से मिलना चाहते हैं, जुड़ना चाहते हैं और ये जो अभियान है, चाहे वो भारत जोड़ो यात्रा था या ये न्याय यात्रा है।
राहुल गांधी जी का ये प्रोग्राम है न्याय यात्रा का, उसका कल समापन हुआ और आज इंडिया अलायंस की शिवाजी पार्क में बड़ी रैली होने जा रही है। ये तो डिसाइड प्रोग्राम था। कल चुनाव आयोग ने चुनाव का घोषणा किया है। यह योगा है, न्याय व्यवस्था की लड़ाई है। राहुल जी और राहुल जी के साथ आपने देखा होगा कि करोड़ों जनता राहुल जी के साथ जुड़ी हुई है और जो संकल्प राहुल जी लेके गए उसका वो बिल्कुल पूरा करेंगे।
10 वर्ष तक वो लोग जिन्होंने दोनों हाथों से हिंदुस्तान को लूटा है, हिंदुस्तान की संस्कृति को एक प्रश्न चिन्ह के घेरे में लाकर खड़ा कर दिया है। मोदी सरकार का कार्यकाल देश के 75 साल के इतिहास में जाना जाएगा अन्याय और अत्याचार के लिए, और संघर्ष की रणभेरी जो आज मुंबई की ऐतिहासिक धरती से गूंजेगी वो पूरे देश में परिवर्तन और बदलाव का एक निर्णायक संदेश लेकर आएगी।
जोड़ो न्याय यात्रा जो मणिपुर से शुरू हुई थी और मुंबई में आके खत्म हुई है, उस यात्रा के बाद आज जो है मुंबई के आइकॉनिक प्लेस शिवाजी पार्क में जो है यहाँ पे इंडिया अलायंस के सारे दिग्गज नेता यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं। अभी फिलहाल मैं उस स्टेज पे खड़ा हूँ जहाँ पे शाम को 5 बजे इंडिया अलायंस के सारे नेता यहाँ से जो है लोगों को संबोधित करेंगे। उसी के साथ साथ आप देख सकते हो कि सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स पे स्टेज पे 200 लोगों को बैठने के लिए यहाँ पे सुविधा कर दी है। उसी के साथ साथ सारे पार्टी के लीडर, सबसे बड़े लीडर जो है वो यहाँ पे आगे की तौर पे बैठेंगे। उसी के साथ साथ अगर आप वहाँ पे देखोगे तो वहाँ पे कुछ आर्टिस्ट लोगों के लिए जो है वो वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस होगा। इंडिया अलायंस के सारे जो मित्र गण हैं उनका जो है वो वेलकम किया जाएगा। बताया जा रहा है कि तमिलनाडु के चीफ मिनिस्टर M.K. स्टालिन, अखिलेश यादव, ऐसे सारे जो है वो दिग्गज नेता जो है इंडिया अलायंस के आज यहाँ पे आएंगे। उसी के साथ साथ आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो जहाँ पे 30,000 से ज्यादा लोगों को खड़े रहने और बैठने की सुविधा यहाँ पे की है।
Right, so this is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park that we're talking about, where the mega Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra is all set to culminate. This, of course, started way back in January. Rahul Gandhi has so far covered several states and districts, 85 districts and 14 states that have been covered by Rahul Gandhi on foot. And now the entire Yatra, which started in Manipur, is all set to culminate in Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park. In fact, it's not just Congress and the Rahul Gandhi that will be in focus. The India bloc will also be arriving, descending. All the leaders from the India bloc will be descending at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Park in Mumbai. Arunil joins us on the broadcast to help us understand how big a rally this is going to be for the India bloc. Arunil, on one hand, we are seeing the NDA coming out with a show of strength in South India, in Andhra Pradesh today. On the other hand, this is a mega India bloc rally that is going to culminate in Shivaji Park. We've seen Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, an attempt, a last-ditch attempt, if you can call it, by the Congress to come out on top in this polls. How do you see it panning out? How many people have gathered there? And also, what's the buzz around this rally?
Well, certainly very significant day with respect to the political happenings that are taking place from both the sides. One is PM Modi holding a massive show of strength in Andhra Pradesh. This is also extremely crucial. The reason for that is all the India Bloc members will be converging over here at the iconic Shivaji Park. These are unprecedented scenes that we are noticing over here. The reason for that is the last big rally that the Congress party actually did at the historic Shivaji Park was way back in 2006. Yes, Uddhav Thackeray will be coming. Most of the leaders from the India Alliance, be it Akhilesh Yadav from the SP, be it Tejasvi Yadav from Bihar, be it the Communist Party, be it Aam Aadmi Party's representative Saurabh Bharadwaj. Many of the leaders from Pan India, including Stalin, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, will be coming over here. So a major show of strength, and also what will be the key areas and issues that the India Bloc will be contesting these crucial elections, that also will be revealed in this mega rally at the Shivaji Park. Now, speaking about other aspects as well, after a 63-day marathon yatra that Rahul Gandhi basically undertook across from Manipur to the western part of India, his basically rally culminated yesterday, and today is the massive road show. Now, these are some of the people who have come from Kerala as well. We'll try and speak to them. He's an MLA from Kerala. You tell us what is the significance of this event? Why is it so important for the India Alliance?
You understand, Rahul ji has walked 4,000 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Now he has travelled 6,000 kilometers from Manipur to Bombay. This is a culmination of both the yatras, not only one yatra, but culmination of entire movement he has started from Kanyakumari.
One question to you. Now, Rahul Gandhi obviously has walked from south to north, from east to west. Now, all the India Bloc members will be coming over here. Do you think Rahul Gandhi should lead the India Alliance? That is what at least it looks like it has been presented, or somebody from Congress should lead the India Alliance? Till now, no PM candidate has also been announced by the
No. Generally, there is no PM candidate for the Congress. But it's very clear that Rahul Gandhi is leading our movement. He is walking with the people. He is working for the people. He is listening to people. Everyone's word he is listening to. So he knows the pulse of the country. So he is walking, he is working, he is for the people of this country.
We'll also speak to some of the students who have come in from coming all the way from Kerala. Why have you travelled to Mumbai for this massively significant rally of the India Alliance? What are your basically thoughts that why it is so important?
Actually, this is a great comeback of the Congress party. And for the past 10 years, we already know that the BJP tarnished the entire system that give you entire beliefs of democracy. And every belief can be destroyed and tarnished. And in order to take back the democracy and hold it tight, the India Alliance is put forwarding the idea. And here it is the beginning. Here is the new beginning. And there
are some allegations that are coming in from the Mahayuti in Maharashtra as well. Now, my video journalist George basically is showing you these visuals. You can see this is the Balasaheb Thackre's Smruti place. Here, basically, generally prayers have been, homages have been paid to late Balasaheb Thackeray by the leaders from the Shiv Sena. Now, the question that has been asked by the CM Shinde Shiv Sena is that whether Rahul Gandhi will also pay tribute to late Balasaheb Thackeray. And on the other end, if we look at it on this side, it is the Savarkar Smruti Stan as well. So this is a question that the Mahayuti basically is asking to the India Bloc members, that whether Rahul Gandhi, who's been very vocal and critical about Veer Savarkar, whether he will be again speaking against Savarkar, and what is the stand that Uddhav Thackeray is going to take, because this is probably the first time, at least in Mumbai, when Rahul Gandhi and Uddhav Thackeray will be on the same stage, and that is why it is extremely significant from the India Bloc's perspective.